This is good. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this on Thursdays and Sundays. Yeah, like pretty much all the time. Today we're going to be opening up a box I received in the mail, and this is a bit different from the normal ones I've been getting, but I think Birchbox has something up their sleeve for this one, so I'm kind of like curious. And I did just get this today. I know I had a lot going on today, but I wanted to stay up and get this done. It's like 1,000,000 o'clock in the morning, but I still wanted to make some time to open this because I mean, look at it. This is not normal. It's a little odd. Different's a good word. We'll use different. So I figured we might as well open it. And like true Birchbox fashion, you have the little tabs on the side that you pull from each side to open. And just like true Birchbox fashion, I always mess up on this one here in the front. I'm great at that. And then I swear, like, they know. I just oh my god. Can we just, okay, I got it, you guys. Oh, hello, would you look at that? I mean, you don't really have a choice but to look at that, because wow, hi. Oh, are we kind of like trying to do something Ipsy like where you have the reusable bag every month? And in the box there is a little card that came with it. That's everything. Yeah. It says less is more. Scan this code to visit our summer essentials shop. P.S. Show us how you're reusing your mesh bag on Instagram for a chance to be featured. Birchbox. Oh, and then on the back it tells you a little bit about everything you received in the box. So that's pretty neato burrito. Useful. So on the card here it says, meet your simple, effortless, one and done beauty dream, aka your July Birchbox. That is like, I don't know, you make big claims, but you also follow through with them, Birchbox, so kudos. You're also like the first box to get here every month. I mean, it's like, what, the 7th, 8th? Here we are, and you're here already? You think ahead, and I like that. It's here to help you streamline so you can spend less time getting ready and more time making the most of your summer. Oh, okay, I will do that. And of course in the box there's 5 items that you get their sample or deluxe sample. And I've noticed with Birchbox, they're a little bit higher end products that you receive compared to, like, say my Ipsy, or what else do you get, like the Target or Walmart, whatever. Those are a little bit lower end, but everything in here, we're up there. So let's just go through the little, let me open this first. This is cute. I definitely want to take this to the beach. I love these, and it feels like it's good quality too. So you have like the mesh the sand can go through, but you also have the zipper to help you hold stuff in. And it's cute. It's a little ribbon. It says Birchbox. Oh. Let's just go through the items we received. And by we, I mean me. The first item is from DAVINES SOLU shampoo. It's a clean product. The full size retails for $29. Are you? Oh, you're it? Okay. I was gonna say, if there's a lot of hair. And this is a really big little sample size too. Dang. Clarifying Solutions shampoo for all hair types. With buckwheat extract. And that's everything it says in English. That's cool. Everything else, you have multi-languages on here, so that's pretty neato burrito as well. I want to see. Oh, you smell nice though. That's actually a lot bigger than most of the shampoo samples I get. I honestly thought it was going to be something like this, and I was like, oh, your typical shampoo sample. No, this is actually a little bit chunkier, so that's pretty darn neat. Thank you. The full size retails for $29. How big is a full size? You don't tell me? That's okay. This one's pretty chunky too, though. So I might be able to get 2 uses out of this. Maybe. Depends on how dirty my hair is, though, so you never knew. So the next product in the bag is from JUARA. This one. And it is a CANDLENUT body cream. The full size retails for $35, but this is a velvety CANDLENUT oil formula inspired by Balinese recipes. And it penetrates deep into dry, rough skin for instant, non-greasy softness that lasts. So, full size is $35. This is a tiny little tube. I mean, but that's okay. What do you smell like? I can't really smell it too much because it has a little thing on it. But just from what I smell, it smells very like earthy and nutty. So it's pretty cool. Thank you. That is neat. Thank you, Birchbox. Ooh, what is that? Oh. So this next item, the third item in the Birchbox bag for the month of July, is from MEGABABE. It's a clean brand as well. It is a space bar detoxifying charcoal underarm bar. The full size retails for $8, and how big is a full-size bar? Because this is pretty big. So this product is an odor control that works in just 60 seconds. Activated charcoal sends odor-causing toxins down the drain. So you're not a deodorant. You're an underarm soap. Underarm bar. You smell hella earthy though. Dang, I like that. Do you tell me anything about? No? It just tells me no parabens, no sulfates, no phthalates, Yep. It also says sunburn alert, alpha hydroxy acid, or the AHA may increase skin's sun sensitivity. Use sunscreen and limit sun exposure for a week after using. Wait, what? What do you do to my armpit then? Package made from 100% recycled material. Please recycle. I don't know. Like, I get the stuff I use on my face because I'm purposely putting whatever on there to peel it, and that's why I have the sunburn warning for my skin on my face. But on my armpits, no. No, thank you. Gotta be polite. The fourth item in our Birchbox for July is from LISSE. Pure LISSE. It is a woman-founded, clean, and the first time that Birchbox is sampling, it is a Youth Glow Vitamin C CC cream with SPF 50 in the shade light medium, and the full size retails for $38. And oh my gosh, that's a mouthful. I don't have one of. Oh, I don't think I have this. Oh, so it's a Youth Glow Vitamin C CC cream, SPF 50. I have the one, I want to say before this or two before this, where it's just the CC cream and it's SPF, I think it's SPF 30 or 35. But SPF 50 is pretty nice, especially after I do like my little face peels. It's good to have something a little bit more strong on my face to protect against the sun's rays, because it will burn your skin afterwards, let me tell you. So that's pretty neato burrito. I wonder if that's my shade. What did you say, light medium? I think I'm getting back to being a light Because during the pandemic and the whole staying inside stuff, I ended up moving all the way down the spectrum to just fair, not even light. But now I'm working my way up. I think I'm like a light to a medium light, and then I'll go from light up to the medium towards the light, out of the light. I'm going away from the light, which is what you should do. Yes? I don't know. Don't take my advice on it. The final item in our Birchbox for July 2021 is from Real Chemistry. It is a woman-founded, clean, and a first-time sampling in Birchbox Environmental Rescue Rich Cherry Lip Peel. What the French toast is a lip peel? Full size is $34. It's a powerful but gentle lip peel that resurfaces the lip using only edible ingredients, but they still suggest you don't eat it, and it leaves lips healthy, plump, supple, and silky. And what the French toast lip peel. So reading a little bit on the back, when I hear peel, I am one of those people, when I hear peel, I think like you are pulling something off of something else. But as I've read on the back, this extremely fine print explained to me you kind of just put like a little bit on, like you're putting on chapstick or gloss or anything, just a tiny little line here, tiny little line on the top. Massage it together for about a minute and then rinse off with warm water. And I guess that's supposed to help like resurface the skin on your lips. I'm gonna say resurface because to me it sounds better than peel, because when I hear peel, I hear like I'm grabbing a layer of skin and just ripping it. So for me this sounds a little bit better. Oh, that's cool. Environmental Rescue Enriched Cherry. Yeah. The full size is $34. I can't imagine. I just don't have nothing nice to say. That one scares me a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and count back for all the items that I received in my Birchbox for July 2021. And I just want to point this out again. I love this. Can I take this? I'm taking this to the beach with me. I think we have 2 more trips to the beach planned this year. And then I don't know what we'll do after that. But yeah, I'm going to take this and incorporate this. Cool. That is like heavy duty too. Sorry, I like the bag. Anywhoozle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items for the month of July 2021 in our Birchbox. And I gotta say, out of all the products, I'm definitely going to be using 3 out of 5. The detoxifying underarm bar and the lip peel definitely freak me out. I may have to do a video of at least the lip peel. I really am scared to do the underarm one because I mean, oh, what is it? Is it gonna hurt? I'm gonna need to do some research. I, honest to glob, thought like, oh, it's a deodorant bar. How cool and natural and how cool and natural and now I'm concerned. Yeah, but I definitely want to try this soap. I think my hair, 1 more day and we'll shampoo it. So that's definitely going to be able to be used soon. I'll try and let you know how it goes. Maybe we'll see. Possibly, probably. Yeah. Anyway, let me know if you got the same stuff in your Birchbox for this month, July 2021. I can't believe we're like over halfway through the year already. That's crazy. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you go because I am rambling. I will talk to you later. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. Bye.